in September. And
okay. Yeah.
driving along a wall like this at 90 with GT3s going by me 50 miles an hour faster, that was a learning experience.
Yes, absolutely. I will give you as much of a school line as I can give you.
Yeah.
sets this turn up.
Okay.
Yeah. Very nice.
Just looking for the tree.
All the way over from that part of the American flag off the distance.
white line there. Okay.
And then turns in. And then all the way out.
Yep.
just like we have a blend line coming on the track, we have this lovely blend line coming off the track. Because you can be 3 wide on that track surface and have someone exit the racetrack.
Okay.
So it's my pet peeve.